Hey, why is this messy?
Oh, that closet. Sorry.
What happened in here?
I looked for sweaters.
You pulled everything out.
Yeah, kind of.
Why all of a sudden?
The weather got cold.
You could have asked me.
I know, I'm sorry. It's really messy now.
Yeah, my fault.
I need thicker clothes, too.
Yeah, it's colder now.
Oh no, mine's messy too.
Oh no, really?
Yes, everything is everywhere.
I promise I didn't touch that.
Cold air attacked the closets.
Yeah, our closet's freaked out now.
Clothes ran everywhere.
Yeah, looks like it.
We need some cleaning.
Yes, for sure.
Let's pick needed clothes.
Good idea.
Put summer clothes away
We won't need them.
and hang those jackets.
Sure, no problem.
Let's make it cleaner today.
Yes, let's do it. Oh no, you're all wet.
Yeah, my umbrella broke.
What happened this time?
Umbrella has 2 mouse holes.
What? That's impossible.
Really? It rains inside too.
But the umbrella was stored.
Maybe mice are in storage.
Oh no, I'm so scared.
Don't worry, we'll fix it.
Here's a towel. Careful now.
I need a hot shower.
How do we catch mice?
First, check the storage room.
Okay, let's go together.
Look, there's a small mouse.
Get away from me.
It's tiny. Don't worry now.
Can we trap it now?
Yes, I have a trap.
Is it safe for us?
Totally safe. Don't worry.
Did you see the mouse?
Yes, it's near the box.
Oh my god, so tiny.
I'll move it outside now.
Are you sure it's gone?
Yes, all clear now.
I feel safe now.
No problem. Everything is fine.
Are you ready?
Not yet.
We're going to be late.
I know.
What are you looking for?
My shoes.
You lose them every time.
I know.
Check under the couch.
Oh, found one.
One? Only one?
Yeah, still missing the other.
Look by the door.
Yes, got it.
Finally. Put them on.
I'm putting them on.
Did you grab your phone?
It's right here,
Your wallet?
in my pocket.
What about the tickets?
I printed them.
Did you bring water?
No, should I?
Yes. Grab a bottle.
Okay, 1 second.
Hurry up. Traffic is bad now.
I'll be fast.
Do we need jackets?
Maybe.
It's cold outside.
Grab yours, please.
Got it.
I'm waiting by the door.
Give me 2 minutes.
You always say 2 minutes.
This time I mean it.
Okay, let's go now.
I'm ready. Let's go. Christmas is coming soon.
Yeah, we need a plan.
It's such a joyful holiday.
Yes, I'm excited.
I want my sister visiting.
Your sister again?
She loves Christmas here.
I know. I want my friend coming.
Your friend again?
He's like family too.
I get that, but space is tight.
Not too bad.
My sister has 3 kids.
My friend has 2 and we have 2.
That's a lot.
It will be crazy loud.
Crazy and fun.
The house might explode.
Probably, yeah.
Kids running everywhere.
Total chaos, honestly. We will lose control.
We always do.
But they'll love it.
They definitely will.
Should we invite both families?
Maybe we should.
Okay, let's do it.
Invite them all.
Our house will overflow.
Full of kids.
And full of laughter.
Best Christmas ever.
I'll call my sister.
I'll text my friend.
Hope we survive this.
We'll be fine.
Honey, wake up.
What time is it?
It's 7 already.
That's fast.
Wait, check your phone.
What, is something wrong?
Oh, wow, it's only 6.
Seriously, a whole hour?
Yeah, we woke up early.
No wonder it feels dark.
Do you want to go back?
No, I'm up now.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really.
Do you feel tired now?
Yeah, very tired.
Maybe some breakfast will help.
Something warm, maybe.
What sounds good to you?
Something light. Nothing heavy.
How about eggs?
Eggs sound okay.
And some toast?
Toast is fine too.
What about fruit?
Maybe a little fruit.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, something gentle.
Green tea or black tea?
Green tea, please.
Here's your tea.
Thanks, you're so kind.
I will drink tea and make breakfast.
Okay, I'll help after tea.
Is this spot good?
It's perfect.
Do you like quiet places?
I really do.
Did you bring sandwiches?
Yes, 2 of them.
Any fruit with you?
Some apples.
I brought drinks.
Nice. What drinks?
Just lemonade.
Great. I love lemonade.
Did you remember the blanket?
It's right here.
Should we sit under the tree?
It's shady there.
Want some lemonade now?
Yes, I am a bit warm.
Do you go on picnics often?
Only sometimes.
Do you like outdoor stuff?
Yeah, I love nature.
What do you do on weekends?
Mostly relax or walk.
Are you a morning person?
No, not at all.
What food do you like?
Mostly simple stuff.
Do you cook at home?
Yeah, a few times a week.
Do you enjoy sunny days?
Yeah, they feel nice.
Should we come again?
Let's do that.
How about next weekend?
Deal. Sounds perfect.
Hi, I have a problem.
Sure. What is it?
I lost my room key.
When saw it last?
This morning, now gone.
Checked pockets and bag?
Yes, checked everywhere.
Maybe left in room.
No, door won't open.
Don't worry, new key soon.
Thanks, what do you need?
Just your room number.
Room 712.
Great. May I see ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks, Mr. Evans. New key coming.
Will old key work?
No, it stops working.
I feel safer.
Need room check?
Maybe?
Yes, that helps.
Security will check soon.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. New key here.
Great. Anything else needed?
No, that's all.
Enjoy your stay here.
Thanks, I will.
Good morning, doctor.
Morning. What's wrong today?
Sore throat and cough.
How long now?
About 3 days.
Did it start slowly?
Yes, now worse.
Do you have fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check temperature.
Okay.
It's 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, just the cold.
Should I rest home?
Yes, rest and hydrate.
Can I work today?
Better take 2 days.
Okay, I'll report.
Any medicine allergies?
No allergies.
I'll give cough syrup.
When do I take it?
Tablets 3 times daily.
And the syrup?
2 teaspoons every 6 hours.
Take them together?
Yes, but eat first with juice.
Okay.
Better water only.
All right, water only.
Any chest pain?
No, only coughing.
Avoid cold drinks.
Okay, no cold drinks.
You'll improve in days.
Come back if not?
Yes, return in 5 days.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Rest well.
I will.
Feel better soon.
Hi, Emily. Here's your lease.
It looks long.
Yes, but don't worry.
What should I check first?
Rent and lease period.
Rent is $2,000 monthly.
Yes, pay every first.
What about utilities?
You pay gas and electricity.
Water and trash included.
Yes, both are included.
That's very convenient.
We keep things simple.
Can I check the place?
Let's start here.
The couch looks new.
Replaced 2 months ago.
Does the TV work well?
Yes, it's a smart TV.
What about lights?
All lights work fine.
Okay, let's see. Kitchen?
Everything is clean here.
Is the stove gas?
Yes, gas heats faster.
Does the oven work?
Works perfectly.
And the fridge works.
Check inside.
Sink works fine too.
New faucet installed.
Next, let's see. Bathroom.
It's right here.
Hot water works, right?
Yes, heats in seconds.
Toilet flushes normally.
Everything works great.
I like it.
Let's finish paperwork.
Okay, I'll read, then sign.
Take your time.
I'm signing now.
Need rent and deposit now.
I brought 2 checks.
Here are your keys.
Thanks. Place looks great.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. I'm excited. Welcome to Sweet Spot. I'd like a cake. What cake type? I want a chocolate cake. What size you need? Medium size for 8. When pickup? This Saturday at 3. Any message written? Yes. Write, Happy Birthday, Mom. Pink or white icing? Pink, please. Any decorations needed? Strawberries are perfect. Want filling inside? Yes, chocolate cream. It tastes rich and smooth. How much total? Medium cake is $45. Okay, that's fine. Paid deposit now? Yes, I'll pay now. Cash or card? Card, please. Tap your card here. Done. Name for the order? It's under Kim. Number for confirmation? Sure. 555-2149. See you Saturday. See you then.
Hello, City Dental speaking.
Hi, I need an appointment.
What seems the problem?
I have a bad toothache.
How long has it hurt?
About 3 days now.
Constant pain or sometimes it comes and goes?
One tooth or whole side?
Just one left tooth.
Taken anything for pain?
Yes, some ibuprofen.
Any swelling or fever?
Cheek swollen, no fever?
We should check soon.
I'd like to come today.
Let me check schedule.
I can wait.
We have 2:30 today.
Perfect, I can come.
Your full name, please?
Emily Brown.
Been here before?
No, first time.
Need some basic details?
No problem.
Phone number and email?
555-3412. emily.brown.com.
Any allergies at all?
No, none.
Taking any medications now?
Just vitamins only?
Dentist will check first.
Okay, will it hurt?
We can numb it.
I feel nervous.
Don't worry.
Okay, I'll bring insurance.
Great. See you 2:30.
See you soon. Hi, I'd like these books.
Your library card, please.
I don't have one.
Want to apply now?
Yes, please. What's needed?
Just fill this short form.
Okay, I'll fill it.
Do you have photo ID?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Card in 1 minute.
Thank you so much.
Here's your new library card.
Can I use it?
Yes, you can immediately.
I want a few more books.
Well, what kind of books?
I'm looking for novels.
Novels are in literature section.
Where is that exactly?
Go straight, then turn left.
Got it. Found everything you need?
Yes, I got 2.
Perfect. I'll scan them.
Thank you.
Return in 3 weeks.
3 weeks from today?
Yes, date is on slip.
Can I renew later?
Yes, online or phone.
Perfect. Very easy.
Enjoy your reading.
Thanks, I will.